XRP Ripple investors, I have an important message for all you guys, so listen up. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. We have crypto news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. Let's start off with some crypto news. This isn't exactly crypto news, this is global news, but it can affect the crypto market. As you guys know, last week, we saw XRP drop or dump 30%, and I've been saying this is just the beginning of the great shakeout of 2023. What am I talking about? Well, let's start off with China's Evergrande. As you guys know, last week they filed for bankruptcy. This right here is in the real estate sector. They've been struggling since 2021, and actually, did you guys know the real estate sector makes up 30% of China's economy, and we got Evergrande filing for bankruptcy. We know that is not good for China's economy. We also know that China cuts key interest rates as recovery falters. They are struggling right now, their economy overall, and in order to fight that, they're trying to cut interest rates to, ease the pain. So, why is this very important? Well, we know that China is in conflict with Taiwan right now. What's going on right now? China's economy is collapsing as we speak. Russia's economy is collapsing as we speak. The US economy is collapsing as we speak as well. All these economies are in trouble. And what's very important for you guys to understand is the only way for these economies to recover is what? For these economies to go to war. And it would be in the best interest for China, since they're really, really struggling, is for them to invade Taiwan. And this is why I'm trying to warn you guys. We may see this because we understand China's economy is struggling. They're cutting interest rates. China Evergrande filing for bankruptcy, not a good sign. And right now, we do know China is in conflict with Taiwan. If China invades Taiwan, then the US has to go in and we're at war, basically. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not trying to scare anyone. I'm just letting you guys know what might happen based off what's going on. Also, we do know that China and the BRICS Nation is meeting tomorrow in South Africa. They're going to announce a new currency that's going to be pegged to gold. And we need to be very, very careful because right now, as we speak, we are transitioning to the new system. Do you understand? In order to fully transition, the whole thing must crash. China's economy struggling, Russia's economy struggling, US economy struggling. So what's going to happen in order to keep the currency, the fiat currency up and strong is war. So don't be surprised, guys, if very soon we see China invade Taiwan. And obviously this would affect the crypto market because, as you guys know, every time there is a threat of war or if we go into war, the crypto market and the stock market crashes. It's not good initially. So I need you guys to stay aware of what might happen in the future. And this is what I'm calling it, the great shakeout. This is just the beginning. We saw XRP drop 30%. Well, we may see even more because of the threat of war. With that being said, let's look at the technical analysis right now. Yes, we did get rejected around 55 cents, which is a key resistance now. We need to break through that in order to continue to the upside. It's currently at 52 cents. MACD is telling us on the daily to sell, as well as the weekly is telling us to sell. Very alarming. We just formed a red dot on the weekly time frame. It's telling us to sell. Not a good sign. Now, if we take a look over here at the EMA, weekly EMA, the good thing is XRP did close above yesterday, the weekly candle, above the EMA 55. This is very good because that means we are neutral as of right now. On the other hand, Bitcoin closed below the EMA 55. That's not a good sign. We need an immediate price action from the Bitcoin price this week, because if we continue to the downside or if we stick around here, then we may see a reversal in the EMAs, and that means we may see even more downside, and that is not good for XRP, because if we see that from Bitcoin, then we should expect XRP to drop as well. And this is why I'm saying there's a 30 cent XRP is reasonable at this point, because we have a lot of stuff going on right now. China's economy struggling, Russia's economy struggling, the US economy struggling. We have so much debt right now. And then on top of that, BRICS Nation is meeting tomorrow, and their purpose here is to de-dollarize from the US. They're sick and tired of using the US dollars, and we understand if these countries stop using the US dollar, if they start de-dollarizing, it's obviously going to affect the US economy. And also, we understand that the dominance is very, very strong. Why? Because if they de-dollarize, not only will the US economy struggle, but all the other countries' economies will also struggle. So right now, guys, is a very important time not to panic, not to get scared, but to prepare. Understand, become long-term investors of what's going to happen. Right now, trading crypto is not a good idea. Very volatile. We don't know where it's going to go. If you're inexperienced, please do not trade, because you will get wrecked 99% of the time. So do yourself a favor, become long-term investors. This is not financial advice. With that being said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. My prediction this upcoming week is we will be stuck between 50 and 60 cents. With that being said, if you made it this far, make sure to comment the number 25. With that said, peace.